Hey guys, so another coffee vlog. I've been on a roll with these. It's pretty sweet. It is like insane outside right now. The snow, shoot, it's like ridiculous. Yeah, I don't know. It's just crazy. So, I don't know if you can see it. That's insane. But anyways, I'm gonna work soon. I just did like a makeup tutorial. Oh, I don't want to show you guys that. Like straight. So, ah. So, yeah, it's insane weather. It's almost March. It's almost my birthday. I'll be 22 in like a month. So I'm really excited about that. And bluesfest just got announced. It is like, I think I should like actually pull it up here. But I just put on my Facebook status that it was here. Wu-Tang, BB King, Weezer, Rush, Tragically Hip, Bloody Molly, Fixing the Tantrums, Matthew Good. Um, yeah, there's so many good acts in there. Like, if I can like pull it up. Ugh. My phone buzzed. I'm slightly sick right now. Again. Sucks. Okay. It's like, it's my face. Okay. The Dixie Chicks, which, I don't know, I like country, so maybe I'll check them out. Great Big Sea, Nico Case, Marina's Trench, which, I don't know, I like them, but I'm not like crazy about them. Passion Pit, Tegan and Sarah, I'm really excited. Skrillex is coming again. Like, I roll my eyes because, okay, like I kind of like Skrillex, but it's just like the whole dubstep thing. It's just, in my opinion, it's like, it's kind of dying. Well, not dying, it's just, I'm always gonna be, out of all the electronic music, I'm always gonna be like a trance fan, but I don't know. I don't really dig the dub stuff. But to each its own. And Mother Mother is going, and there's a lot of really good acts in this. Like, yeah, there's just like I will link this poster because there's just so many good acts, and I'm really excited. Last year's acts were pretty good. I just like it's a blues festival here in Ottawa, and it's supposed to be blues, but of course they bring in like other acts just to, like get more fans and like generate more money basically. But yeah, I like that they have BB King as kind of like the headliner, basically, like the top of the poster. That's pretty cool. That's a smart choice. And I love BB King, so I love all kinds of blues. But I like my punk and my rock and my hip hop and all that. I think that they did like a really good choice of bringing Wu-Tang because like I remember 2 years ago they brought Drake and it's just like no. No, not like I just don't dig him. Like, not at all. But anyways, everyone has their own music opinions, and I don't know, I just don't like Drake or any like kind of wannabe hip hop. That's my opinion. But anyways, I'm really excited for Wu-Tang, Rush, and the Tragically Hip. I saw Rush at bluesfest like 3 years ago, and then I saw Rush 2 years ago. So I'm gonna like see them. All of it. I saw Rush 3 years ago. I saw Tragically Hip like 2 years ago. So I'm really excited to see them again. And I like the Head Flogging Molly. That's pretty cool. And Weezer. And yeah, so it's gonna be pretty good festival. And it's awesome because I just take the bus, go downtown, and there it is. Like, it says a full festival pass is like 150. So I don't know. I don't like to pre-buy tickets because I just don't know like what if I'm working that night kind of thing. So I don't know. I'm gonna like figure it out when it comes time to. And I'm just waiting for a Rockfest announcement. Like I'm dying to hear what Rockfest lineup's gonna be. There's like rumors that there's no FX, Deftones, Bad Religion, maybe God, because those are all bands that are on tour or have been touring this year. So I heard Thy Artist Murder might go. Motionless in White, that'd be freaking sweet. Um, so yeah, I'm really hoping God will play Rockfest because that would just be so epic. And yeah, Rockfest for me last year was just amazing, and I'm really stoked. And I'm thinking of getting a hotel, like renting a hotel to stand for the 2 nights. It's on a Friday and a Saturday, but I don't know. Depends like what my budget is, but I'd really like a hotel. The whole camping experience is fun. It's just like last year I didn't really shower for like 2 or 3 days. I had to bathe in the lake, but anyways, I don't know. We'll see. And I'd like added some more dreads and some like things to my hair, and I did like these earrings the other day, and I did some cool art. This is I got myself a new sketchbook because I needed it. No, there's that. So anyways, I'm gonna go die in my cold. Hope you guys all have a great day, and